Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video and share with you an interesting option for programmable soundboards. This is a Brewboard from Saber Republic, and the way this works is it's basically a rider board to allow you to build your own Arduino homebrew board at home without having to use strip board or wire a whole lot of it yourself. See these pinholes, you just put the Nano on the top there, and everything's labeled. You put the DF player right there, and then on the other side you put the MPU 6050. I guess the module name it's right there, GY50. What is it? Can't see it through the camera. GY521. I guess it's the standard pinout module for. It's just a breakout board for an MPU 6050. And you put all your components on there, and it's obviously bigger than a Arduino from Proto-Works.stat would be, but it's more orderly and smaller than it would be if you tried to do it yourself with strip board. And you don't have to do any wires or circuit paths for anything that's wired off, that's wired within the board. You only have to do the stuff that's wired off of the board, like your LEDs and your switches and things like that. So it's a pretty interesting option. I don't know when I'll get around to trying it out myself. I just wanted to let people know that it exists. It's not really all that well publicized. Within the do-it-yourself, program your own circles, I guess it is, but not the wider Saber world. I haven't had a chance to try it myself yet, and I'm working on the Andres's new Infinity board right now, and that's using up a lot of my project time. So I don't know when I'll get to doing this, but I will say that if you build a board with this, it is compatible with s.t.r.e.a.m, and I will post a link in the description to this video that shows the manufacturer of this board. He demonstrates it, s.t.r.e.a.m, running on a Brewboard. And it's basically, he's trying to review s.t.r.e.a.m, but you can also see how it runs on a Brewboard, which is exactly how it would run on one of Andres's boards from Proto-Works.stat. So, Brewboard, Saber Republic, check it out. I'll link it in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.